Ladies and gents, my name is Brandon Stover. Welcome to the How to Solve Climate Change course from Plato University. Causes, systems, obstacles, solutions to this global challenge is what you're going to learn here today. When you're ready to learn more skills, join us for free at plato.university. Let's get started with today's lesson. Explain succinctly what nuclear energy is from first principles.
Nuclear energy is a form of power generation that harnesses the energy released from nuclear reactions, specifically nuclear fission or fusion. In nuclear fission, the nucleus of an atom is split into smaller fragments, releasing a significant amount of heat energy. This heat is used to produce steam, which drives turbines connected to generators, ultimately producing electricity. In nuclear fusion, the nuclei of two atoms combine to form a heavier nucleus, also releasing vast amounts of energy. Nuclear energy is considered a low-carbon energy source, as it does not emit greenhouse gases during electricity production.
Why does nuclear energy help to solve climate change?
Nuclear power plants produce electricity without burning fossil fuels, leading to minimal greenhouse gas emissions, making it a cleaner alternative to coal or natural gas-based power generation. Nuclear power provides a stable and reliable baseload supply of electricity, reducing the need for fossil fuel-based backup sources and facilitating the integration of intermittent renewable energy. Replacing coal and gas-fired power plants with nuclear power can significantly reduce carbon dioxide emissions from the electricity sector.
Steelman the other side. Why would nuclear energy not work to solve climate change?
Obvious and top of mind for much of the public are safety concerns. Accidents like the Chernobyl and Fukushima incidents have raised concerns about the safety of nuclear power, leading to public resistance and regulatory hurdles. We must also contend with radioactive waste. Nuclear power generates radioactive waste that needs careful long-term management and disposal, posing environmental and security challenges. The largest downside may be high costs and long time frames. The construction of nuclear power plants is capital-intensive and often involves long lead times, making it less competitive compared to some renewable energy options.
Who benefits most by implementing nuclear energy as a solution?
Most obvious are consumers. Nuclear power can provide a stable and reliable electricity supply, reducing price fluctuations and grid instability. Power generation companies also benefit. Nuclear power offers a low-carbon and consistent source of energy, allowing power companies to meet emission reduction targets and diversify their energy portfolios. Governments and policymakers could benefit as well. Nuclear power contributes to reducing carbon emissions, helping countries meet their climate goals and transition to a low-carbon economy.
Who is harmed most by implementing nuclear energy as a solution?
Some communities and environmental organizations are concerned about the potential risks associated with nuclear accidents and the long-term storage of radioactive waste. Not as obvious, but still worth mentioning is the expansion of nuclear energy could compete with renewable energy sources for investment and market share.
How feasible is nuclear energy to implement as a solution?
The feasibility of nuclear energy as a climate change solution depends on various factors, including public acceptance, regulatory frameworks, financial support, and technological advancements. While nuclear power has the potential to play a role in reducing emissions, the challenges and costs involved in construction, decommissioning, and waste management need to be carefully considered.
How does nuclear energy work as a solution to climate change?
Inside a nuclear reactor, uranium or plutonium atoms undergo nuclear fission, releasing a vast amount of heat energy in the form of nuclear reactions. The heat produced during fission is used to heat water and produce high-pressure steam. The high-pressure steam drives turbines, which are connected to generators, converting mechanical energy into electricity. The electricity generated is low-carbon, as no greenhouse gases are emitted during the process.
What is a real-life example of nuclear energy being implemented?
France is a prominent example of a country that has implemented nuclear energy on a large scale. The majority of France's electricity is produced by nuclear power plants, making it one of the countries with the lowest carbon emissions per unit of electricity generated.
For nuclear energy as a solution to work, what innovation or policy needs to be created?
For nuclear energy to be a viable climate change solution, the following innovations and policies are crucial. First, we need advanced reactor designs with continued research and development of advanced nuclear reactors, such as small modular reactors or next-generation technologies, to enhance safety and reduce costs. We also need innovation in waste management solutions, including advanced reprocessing and disposal methods, to address concerns about long-term waste storage. For policy, we need clear and consistent regulatory frameworks that balance safety, environmental protection, and streamlining approval processes to facilitate nuclear power plant construction.
Right now, you're speaking to passionate students who want to actually solve problems like these. What top 3 skills should they study so that they actually have the ability to do so?
First, gain skills in nuclear engineering and technology. Acquire in-depth knowledge of nuclear reactor design, operation, and safety measures, probably more than any other energy technology. You'll need skills in policy and regulatory expertise. Understand the complex regulatory environment and develop skills in advocating for supportive nuclear energy policies. Finally, get really good at communication. Learn how to effectively communicate the benefits and risks of nuclear energy to policymakers, communities, and the public to build support and address concerns.
To help you understand the concerns of the public, imagine you're a safety inspector. Analyze a regional nuclear power plant's safety measures and protocols. Identify strengths and potential improvements for ensuring safety.
Thank you for taking the How to Solve Climate Change course. If you want to learn the skills to solve this global challenge, join us for free at plato.university for exclusive content, extra resources, and actionable exercises with every lesson. This course was produced by Plato University, where students turn passions into purpose and learn skills to change the world. Learn more at plato.university.